In today's video, we're going to take a look at what we consider to be the 3 best laser levels available on the market today based on our opinion. You'll find links to each in the description box below. Please, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment if you found this video helpful. First up is the ASOBRIS laser level with tripod, green crossline laser. Picture a compact, black and green device perched on a sturdy tripod, projecting bright green horizontal and vertical crosslines across your living room, making picture hanging or shelf installation a breeze. This self-leveling laser level has a working range of 82 feet with an accuracy of plus or minus 1.5 millimeters at 23 feet, ideal for indoor tasks like tiling, framing, or aligning windows. It offers 3 brightness modes, low, medium, and high, so you can adjust for different lighting conditions, and its self-leveling mode works within a plus or minus 4 degrees tilt, flashing if the surface is too uneven. You can switch to manual mode to lock the lines for angled projects, like stair railings. The included tripod adjusts up to 47 inches, and the 1/4 inch minus 20 mounting thread lets you swap it for other tripods. Users love its bright green laser, which is twice as visible as red lasers. As one noted, it's perfect for laying tiles with pinpoint accuracy. The kit includes batteries and a carry bag, making it ready to use out of the box. The catch is that it's not ideal for outdoor use in bright sunlight without a laser detector, which is not included, and some users find the tripod a bit short for high ceiling work. It is reasonably priced, and is a great value for DIYers or homeowners tackling indoor renovations like hanging art or installing cabinets. Next, let's check out the ZPD laser level with tripod, 4x360 self-leveling laser measuring tool. Imagine a robust, professional-grade tool sitting on your workbench, casting 4 360-degree green laser lines, 2 horizontal and 2 vertical, across an entire room, wrapping walls, floors, and ceilings in a glowing grid. This 4x360 degrees laser level is a beast for construction or large-scale renovations, with a 100-foot range and plus or minus 1/8 inch accuracy at 30 feet. It self-levels within plus or minus 4 degrees, flashing to alert you if it's off, and manual mode lets you lock lines for angled installations. The kit includes a 47-inch tripod, 2 rechargeable batteries, a remote control for easy adjustments, and a carrying case. Users praise its brightness and versatility, with one saying it made framing a room effortless by projecting clear lines across long distances. The remote is handy for solo work, and the batteries last through a full day of use. The downside is its complexity. Beginners might find the multiple lines overwhelming, and the instructions can be vague, requiring some trial and error. It's also pricier, and can be less suited for outdoor use without a detector due to sunlight interference. This is a top pick for contractors or serious DIYers working on big projects like drywall installation or full room tiling. Finally, we have the PREXISO laser level with tripod, 100 feet rechargeable dual modules line laser. Picture a sleek, black device with a magnetic base, projecting bright green horizontal and vertical crosslines across your garage, perfect for aligning shelves or laying floor tiles. This dual-module laser level offers a 100-foot range with high accuracy, thanks to its professional laser head, and a wide-angle vertical beam that stretches from floor to ceiling. It self-levels within plus or minus 4 degrees, blinking if out of range, and switches to manual mode for angled tasks. The 2,600 mAh rechargeable battery charges via USB-C, and the 37.5-inch tripod adjusts for precise positioning, with a magnetic base and target plate for added versatility. Users love its durability, with TPE soft rubber coating for shock resistance, and one noted its flawless for indoor tiling, with clear lines even in bright rooms. The kit includes a carry bag and Type-C cable, making it portable. The catch is that the tripod's 12.25-inch folded height is bulkier than some, and outdoor use due to sunlight requires a detector that is not included. Some users find the battery life shorter for all-day professional use, so keep a charger handy. It's a versatile choice for DIYers or pros doing indoor construction or renovation. There you have it, 3 laser levels, with links to each of the product pages where you can check out photos and details in the description box below. Please, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment if you found this video helpful. Hope this helps you find the perfect laser level. Happy leveling, and stay tuned for our next video.